Hearing. Film Joe. Hershey. Squeeze! Stop it. Don't throw something at you. And it balanced on my back. Hershey monster.
Yes. What are you doing?
I only got in there and bloody flushed the loo, and it like, and flushed the loo, so I might just flush it if you have clean water over it. You shouldn't be using that. You might just go in and piss on the floor.
Put this sign up. Can you have a look at that video now? Oh, Joe. Joe, help me find strap body.
What are you doing?
Fuck off, you can. Get me some food. Oi! Slag nasty!
Go be shite.
Read there, Sammy! I'm fighting on me! I want food now! And when I do that, it's always someone who's from Ireland just around the corner.
Yeah, I'm from Ireland.
Yeah, right, you can. You wee cunt. I'll fucking kneecap you, wee cunt.
I'm going to Ireland next week, actually.
Good. That's what you deserve. You're